In this video, I present you a wooden floor. No, obviously not. You know what I'm presenting because you can see it in the title. This. The Pocket Juice portable charger has 12,000 milliamp hours. 6 extra charges. Okay, 6 extra charges is just an average estimate because as we know, these different devices have different capacities. So, what may be able to charge one device 6 times, it won't be necessarily the case for others. Like, say for instance, if you're using a phone that has like a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which I think there is one phone like that. I think that was like an Asus phone, but maybe some others. But anyway, let's just cut this open now. Where did I put my scissors? I think I just had it. Oh dear. Okay, here we go. It's out of the frame. Let's cut this open. The test device. I'm going to test the Lumia, but because I'm actually recording with it, I won't be able to test it. Okay, so where should I start to open this thing? I don't know. It's not exactly easy. I mean, I could just go full savage and just rip it or something, but I don't exactly want to do that, so I'll just here from the opening here. And open it like this. Okay. I don't know if that's actually the best way to do it, but there's one way of doing it. Sure, there are others. Actually, can you see what this actually has to say? Okay, now you can. Alright, that has nothing to do with unbox that. That's just there for the funny videos. Nothing important about it. Okay, so it looks like I might actually have to stab this because there's no way of getting into that. So we're gonna have this. Okay. Actually, this might be the wrong tool for the job, but we'll see what it does. I'm actually scratch the case itself, so I have to be careful. Actually, I can just take it to the side with an angle like that. No. I scratched my portable power pack because I sure as hell hope not. Oh, there we go. There we go, just like that. It's out. Oh, it actually feels quite nice. Yeah, let's see if we can see the details on camera focus. It's not looking too good. Whatever. Made in China, risk of fire, and some other numbers you probably don't care about. What does this thing do again? Oh, nice. You can see the blue lighting up. Let me get much closer so you can take a look at that. Not sure what it does. It didn't read all the labels. How do I go inside this thing again? Because they showed the inside of it on the box. Like that. So there has to be some way you can get inside it. Because someday I'd like to just take this apart just so I can do this. Actually, I'm probably kidding. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Okay, attention. Battery, lithium ion. Wait, that's French. Okay, here we go. This is the warning that we want to see. I'm not going to read that. You can see that here. Read it yourself. Put it aside. Is there anything else that I should go over? Again, the French side. Okay, so 4 indicator lights. I think it probably indicates the power, I suppose. I hadn't read over this. This is my first time ever unboxing this thing, so I don't know all of its ins and outs. Try and showcase some of it on camera so you can read. Actually, no, obviously you're not going to read it on the camera because it's going to be hard to follow and the font might not be close enough, but still going to showcase it anyway because why not? So, oh, hold on. This is actually very important. Now, this I need to actually talk about because here it's saying that if there's 4, there's 75 to 100% of the power. Then if there's 3, there's only 50 to 75% of the power. 2, 25 to 50, and then for 1, 0 to 25% of the power. So when I press this button, let's see, it's at 3. So based on what we just read there, that means it has 50 to 75% of its power left. Now for Mr. Q10, it's just, is he locked? No, okay, no, he's not locked. Here he is. So let's go and get those wires now, if I can get them. Oh, no. They're so isolated. How am I going to take them out? How am I going to get these out? Should I just be salvaged? Actually, that's just be salvaged. Let's just cut it off. Actually, then again, suppose I need to return it. Well, I don't know. If I need to return, I'll just bring my own box or something. This is already beyond repair, so there's no way I can bring it back in this package. I butchered this pretty badly, so it's just not going to happen. There we go. Here's the ultra short, tiny wire. What is this? This is so darn useless. Like, seriously, what is this? Like, I think my middle, okay, no, never mind. This is longer than my middle finger. You can see that. I was about to say my middle finger is longer than this, but never mind. I had to take that back quickly because I realized that that is not true. Okay, now let's just stick it in. There's, oh, look at that. There's 2 ports. Looks like there's one for the iPhone right there. Actually, no. What am I saying? The end of the iPhone is a regular USB. It's just the part of it that connects into the device that's the lightning adapter. But thankfully, at the end of the thing. But yes, because this itself isn't a lightning adapter, you have to take the iPhone's lightning adapter, stick it into the phone, and then the part of it that's normal, which would be this part of the USB, then that can go. Actually, I should probably demonstrate that. I like how I'm actually talking about that. So let's get this in first. Power Mr. Q10. Where is his port? Actually, has ports at the side. Of course, it's not like most of these modern devices that have them on the bottom. So I'm going to plug this in. Did I do this the wrong way? Actually, I think I did it wrong. It looks weird. Yeah, this is awkward. Okay, let's take this out. Now, I know where you're supposed to plug. It's just that for some reason, this device, it goes in like that. But then they want it to be thing. So that means I have to have the phone flip like this, which as you can see, yeah, very awkward. But hey, at least it works. So, like I mentioned, the iPhone, I should probably grab that. Give me a moment. You can talk amongst yourselves in the meantime while I'm preparing the Apple. And okay, thanks, that did not take very long. So now I can demonstrate that. The Q has to awkwardly sit on its side, so that. Actually, let me open this guy up first so we can have something better to look at rather than just a boring lock screen. Okay, I'm just doing some fiddling around here. Okay, here we go. There. Now, it's already at 100%. I just want to demonstrate this because why not? Make the video just look that much cooler. And there we go. Wait, did it even recognize it? Or is it just not in properly? No, it doesn't look like you recognize it. Maybe it's because the battery's already at 100%, I suppose. But still, okay, let's try that again. We'll take it out. Move it on a little bit. And let's put it back in. No, I'm not hearing any notification sounds, so that doesn't sound too good. I don't know. I'll have to test it again and give you an update on that. So for now, let's put this iPhone away. Actually, for the Q10, does it even work? Well, let me take away iPhone's parts first. Put them off to the side. And I can go and call it quits. So I'm not 100% sure what's up with the iPhone. I don't know if it was charging or maybe it was already 100%, so it just didn't bother. But I will look further into that, and like I say, I'll give you an update on that, and I'll drop a link below if you wish to purchase this portable power pack. Now I am out. Did you like this video? Have you used the Tzumi portable chargers before? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, read my blog for information, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner in the eye circle. The moon is rising and nearing the earth, so you better click away at this point now.